Hotel, one of the Midwest's best luxury hotels located here in Urbana-Champaign. So in here they have a spa, a yoga room, so many other amenities, even the plastic surgery section here. We're gonna take a tour of the whole place and you guys are gonna come along with me. So let's get going. So the lobby area is actually split into 4 different sections. We're gonna take a look at the first section here, which actually has chess. I actually don't know how to play chess, but I've heard that chess is actually a mind game. And luckily, Hotel has this right in the lobby area where you can play chess with a friend. If you're very good at it, go ahead. I'm not really good at it, I'll be honest with you. Next to this is a fireplace as well, so you can see the cartridge that may be hot. It's obviously not on at this time because it's summertime, but in the winter time when you come spend a night here, this will be turned on for you. We're gonna go ahead and move to the second part of the lobby area. This is gonna be a chit chat station, so you and your girls will just sitting here, having a cool conversation, gossiping about somebody, hopefully you're not. This chair actually spins as well. That is so cool. So if you want your own perfect space away from people, you have your own chill spot away from the lobby area, this is the spot for you. If you're in a spectrum lounge, it's a perfect spot that hides you away from the front entrance and also in the lobby area. You can have your own time here, relax, very demure, very mindful. If you forgot your laptop at home and don't have a laptop to work with, just come down to the lobby area and you have lots of computers to work with, 2 computers and also a printer here for you. You literally can do business while you're in the staycation. You also have complimentary water here as well for free. Just imagine that. Speaking of that, I'm thirsty. So for my Instagram babes who love pictures, right here is a cute spot to take your cute pictures. If you're a gym person and you definitely want to be working out on a staycation on a holiday, you have a fitness center right here as well. Wasn't the lobby area lovely? All the sections, all the nooks and crooks that I had, definitely lovely. So they actually have a conference center here, which I'm not able to show you guys right now because it's pretty late right now. It's gonna be on my left side. This is actually part of the University of Illinois, but the hotel runs it for them. So if you want to book meeting, time with friends and family to hang out, this is the spot for you. Join me as I head upstairs to go check out one of the rooms. It's gonna be a king size room. So come with me, let's go check it out. I'm gonna be checking the room out on the 3rd floor, and as you can see, even before you go to your room, you still have a beautiful chill area for you to still take cute pictures, relax. You also have a phone line next to it as well. If you need to stop right here and make a phone call to the lobby area, you can also call outside as well. So very convenient for you wherever you are. Hey guys, so who's ready to take a tour into one of the kid-sized beds they have? Come on. So we're gonna check out the first closet. So in here, you actually have 2 ropes, which welcomes you Hotel and Conference Center. I actually brought my own just in case, but I didn't even know they were gonna actually provide one for you. So that was cool that they had that. They give you 2. I also have a safe in here. So if you want to keep your personal belongings, if you're traveling from international, you want to keep your passport in here, your phone in here before you go out, this is also perfect for you. I'm actually going to be locking my phone away so I can spend time with myself, journal, do my devotion, do self-care things so I can reflect and connect with myself. They also have glasses in here that you can use, as well as an ice container as well, extra water for you. Take a look up here, they actually have extra pillows for you. So if your pillow is not comfy on your bed for you, you have 2 more pillows up here that you can use. So this is actually one of my favorite types of bathrooms to have in a hotel. And what I'm talking about is this glass right here. And the fact that it's not a tub and it's a walk-in. I love that so much. You also have this right here. If you want to hang things while you're in the bathroom, you have a hook to hang it as well as one in here as well. One of my favorite things about this mirror is the fact that it goes wall to wall, which is perfect for selfies. You also have the vanity light right here, which means you can do your makeup beautifully underneath this light and not see any flows in it. You also have extra towels down here on this ledge, so if you're out of towels, perfect for that as well. Let's take a look at how big this hotel room is. Before I show you guys everything that's in here, I'm gonna go section by section, just so you can know how intentional they were with the hotel room. Come and take a look right here. So if you're someone like me who always forgets their charger every time, this right here is a wireless charger, which means if you put your phone right next to it while you're sleeping, it will charge your phone for you before you wake up. Isn't that so cool? All you have to do is just go to bed and drop your phone right next to it. Right next to it, they also have an antibacterial phone. You can also receive messages on this phone as well. As you can see right here, when you get a message, it will blink at the top as well, which is so cool to me. This beautiful art also complements the room as well. Perfect for pictures. If you see an art in the room, it's time to take a picture. That's what I always say. So when I tell you this bed is actually very comfortable, it's very comfortable. This is a king size bed, and as you can already tell, I can't wait to sleep on it. Right in front of your bed, you have this TV. I actually don't know what size this is. If you know what size this is, that's cool. Put it in the comment section. If you can tell a TV size by just looking at this, you're a genius. One cool thing I actually realized when I came in here is let's turn this TV on and see what you see on there. So as you can see, it says welcome, blessing, and punsa. And I was like, I felt so important when I saw this right here. I was like, that is so cool. And it reminded me of Vegas, because when I was in Vegas, it had something similar. But isn't that so cool to have my own on my TV? If I could set up my TV to do this at my home, that would be great. Also, when you turn on the TV, it tells you things that they have in here as well, which is gonna be Hoolihan. It's a dining area where you can dine at downstairs. So it's kind of good that they tell you things that you can do on the TV while you're here as well as special attractions. As I said, they have a surgical place here where you can actually do BBLs, plastic surgery, injections downstairs as well. So if you press that, that will tell you all the information about it, as well as a spa place. I just got a massage for a very cool price, and it was very, very good and relaxing. Another cool thing about this place is the fact that this bookshelf. So it's not actually a shelf. I was trying to look around it to see what's holding the books, and I couldn't find any. I really wanted to figure it out, so I looked underneath it and I saw that it's something very tiny, like a little box that holds one book, which is this and that. The heaviest one of them, and then it holds the rest of them. So while you're here, you can grab one of these books and read it in the sofa chair you see behind you. I'm actually going to show you guys later while I'm reading that. But isn't that so cool? You literally have books hanging in the air. Like, I was worried they were gonna fall. So this right here that you see is gonna be a QR code that when you scan, they'll actually give you an itinerary of things you can do in Urbana-Champaign. This is like the perfect getaway staycation that you can have away from the city in Champaign-Urbana, and having this right next to you where you can actually scan and have a lot of activities to do. I think personally that's so cool. But this is actually my favorite spot. The fact that you can sit here, relax your legs as well, and they even give you a magazine to read while you relax. They're very thoughtful, and I actually love how intentional this hotel is. The fact that you can get a book to read while sitting here, I think it's perfect. So I'm actually gonna sit here and read and unwind. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Put in the comment section below any other hotels you would love for me to check out.